Hi, this is Scott Nato, owner of Fairway Exteriors. Lenexa is a huge part of our business, and we do a lot of replacement window doors in Lenexa. It kind of depends on what the homeowner wants. And so we do have a mix of people who really do want to still have a wood interior. So we do a fiberglass Marvin exterior and a wood interior, or we do all fiberglass window inside and out Lenexa. We also have some homeowners though that, they've already had some windows done by someone else, and they're really looking for us to just maybe do 5 or 6 other vinyl replacement windows. And we're happy to do that. We do that all the time as well in Lenexa. When it comes to doors, we install new French doors, new sliders, and a lot of new entry doors. So we install probably 10 or 15 new front entry systems in Lenexa every single year with Previa fiberglass.